Hello, this is Brittany from the Boyd County Library. Today we will be creating DIY customized mugs. So the only thing we'll need is a whatever mug that is safe enough, because it needs to be safe enough that you can put in the oven, because we need it to set in the oven once we put the Sharpie on, once we customize them. So what I mean by that is we're going to take a plain cup, or just any cup, and for this one it was plain, and I've taken a Sharpie and customized it. So I wrote this, and I've already put it in the oven, which seals it, and that way you can keep using it. The only thing is you won't be able to put it in a dishwasher unless you buy specific markers meant for that. These are just plain Sharpies and a plain cup. So we have I'm just going to set these to the back so you can kind of see them. So we have colored Sharpies here, and then a plain mug. And I think we're gonna do hearts on this one, and then maybe, since I'm a big coffee drinker, I'm going to write the word coffee and then maybe put hearts around it as well. So I'm gonna start out by, I'm actually gonna freehand this and write the word coffee. Go in here and make it look better. So I'm just going to make the letters a little bit thicker. If you mess up, you can take some kind of cloth and water and just wash it off. It'll come right off. So I'm going to write the word coffee. I'm going to clean up the lines as well. Make it semi-straight, most I can. I'm going to make this look rounded and ease. Trying to make it semi-straight. Oh no. Okay, here we go. One more E. This one's a little lopsided. I'm going to try to fix it real quick. Looks really good. Oh, so after I have that on there, I'm actually going to go in and make little tiny hearts since I have the red Sharpie. I'm going to put 2 more, I think. And there we go, we have our cup. And all I have to do is put it in the oven for a low setting, 250, and then for about 15 minutes on a low setting. Make sure you keep checking on it and make sure you have parents' help as well. And so after, this is what it looks like after I put it in the oven and it sealed it. And so now we can drink out of it. Yes, nice. Alright guys, and that's how we make a customized coffee cup.